Alright, hi Soup fans. This is Kevin from rcsoup.com. We're here with a hands-on of the new Axial AX10 Deadbolt ready to run truck. And we're here at the school today, working out of the back of my car here. And basically this is what you get in the box. I did a photo unboxing earlier. You'll see that in the article. But you basically get this basic 2.4 gigahertz radio. These are your controls. You have trims for throttle and steering. You have steering dual rate and plus servo reversing and stuff. So it's basic, but it gets you by. And I've done a little bit of testing with it, and it seems to be pretty accurate. I don't know anything about the range yet, but we'll find that out. Then you've got the truck itself here. It's a lot like what Axial has come out with before. It's got parts that seem to be close to like the Wraith, and it's got those types of axles and similar looking body to some of the AX10s and stuff they've had. So basically you have this open cab with a cage on it, and then underneath you'll see the twin vertical plate type chassis, and then you've got the transmission. There's your speed control. Your radio is in this closed box. You've got your servo up front, directly on the axle. A little concerned with the flexibility of these linkages here, but they should be fine. That's probably mainly for durability, that they're plastic and flexible, but I don't think this truck is really going fast enough to really have an issue with, doing any damage with those. But then there's the rear axle, and we're running a Venom like soft case lipo. It's similar to what you would get like your old nickel metal packs. It's just something I had charged and already laying around with a Tamiya connector on it. So we're going to try that, and it should be fine for our initial runs. And we'll do some action videos here and show you what this little guy's about. Alright, our little test session is over for now. We got the truck dirty, a little scraped up, but she held up just fine, no issues at all. And look for the full write-up and review on rcsoup.com. Thanks.